Have you ever thought about why your muscles tend to get weaker as you get older, even when you eat right and work out? What if I told you that there are easy, natural meals that can actually make your muscles develop again after the age of 60? These aren't just regular fruits, they have science-backed chemicals in them that might work better than protein shakes. You're not getting older, you're simply not eating these important nutrients. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel for weekly health recommendations from experts that are specifically designed to help you stay healthy and independent after 60. So click the subscribe button and join thousands of other people who are taking charge of their health and living longer, better lives. Stay with me because in a few minutes, I'll tell you about 6 fruits that could help you regain the muscle you've lost without you even knowing it. Sarcopenia, the silent enemy and its effects after 60. There's something bad going inside our bodies as we get older that we often don't notice. Sarcopenia is the name for the loss of muscular mass and strength. And if you're over 60, this could be the quiet thing that's quietly taking away your independence and energy. Harvard Medical School says that after we become 30, we lose roughly 3 to 8% of our muscle mass every 10 years. Things get considerably worse after we turn 60. It's not just that they don't want to look weak, they're also afraid of losing the capacity to perform things like climb stairs, move groceries, or simply get up from a chair. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling tired and weak and having trouble walking across the room. What if this one thing is quietly making you feel tired and sick? Don't worry though, this can be stopped. Science demonstrates that some fruits can directly fight sarcopenia, which helps you build muscle mass as you get older. There is research that supports this idea. A research by the Mayo Clinic in 2023 found that older people who ate certain fruits every day saw a 28% increase in physical strength in just 3 months. So, what are these fruits? I'll tell you in a minute, but first, let's look at how these fruits function. The science of healing. How fruits can stop muscle loss. It's not simply protein that matters for muscle health. It's about the right nutrients working together to fix and build up muscle fibers. Imagine that every time you use your muscles, little fibers break, and your body makes them stronger. Fruits are full of the nutrients that this repair process needs. For example, foods that are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances can help repair and rebuild muscles faster after exercise. Vitamin C is one of the most important things we need for our muscles to grow. It doesn't just help your immune system, it also helps make collagen, which is necessary for repairing muscles. People who say you should eat oranges for your health are right, but oranges are only part of the story. The fruits I'm about to tell you about can greatly improve your muscle strength by giving you the correct vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory ingredients. Picture how much stronger and more mobile you would feel if you included a tiny bowl of fruit to your daily routine. And here's the best part. These fruits don't just help you develop muscle, they also battle inflammation, which is the quiet thing that can stop muscle regeneration. The American Heart Association found that chronic inflammation is a big reason why people lose muscle as they become older. So, can you afford to disregard this powerful medicine? Let's see which fruits are most important in this fight. The 6 fruits that help your muscles after 60. As we get older, it gets harder to keep and gain muscle, but eating the right foods can help. These fruits taste great and are full of nutrients that help muscles stay healthy, mend, and grow. Let's really look into how these 6 fruits make your muscles grow again. 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is more than simply a delightful tropical snack. It's also great for recovering muscles. Bromelain, a naturally occurring enzyme that helps reduce muscle inflammation, swelling, and stiffness, is what makes it good for muscles. It speeds up the recovery process after exercise. A study done by Harvard Medical School in 2021 discovered that bromelain can help your body make more muscle protein, which is an important step that helps your body repair and strengthen muscle fibers after a workout. This indicates that seniors will have better muscle recovery and growth, even though they have more problems that come with being older. 5. Avocados. Avocados are a superfood for recovering muscles since they are full of healthy fats and vitamin E. To keep our muscles from getting weaker as we get older, we need to eat healthy fats like those in avocados. These fats help lower inflammation, help muscles heal, and make sure that muscles get the nutrition they need to thrive. Vitamin E is also a powerful antioxidant that protects muscular tissues from damage caused by oxidation and helps muscles heal. The Mayo Clinic stresses how important good fats are for keeping muscles strong in elderly people. Avocados are an essential for healthy aging muscles, whether you eat them in salads, smoothies, or on top of whole grain bread. 6. Bananas. Bananas are more than just a quick snack. They're a great source of magnesium and potassium, two nutrients that are important for muscle function. Potassium helps keep the right amount of fluids in the body, which lets muscles contract properly. Magnesium, on the other hand, is very important for relaxing muscles and stopping cramps and spasms. A study from 2023 found that not getting enough magnesium can make your muscles weak and cause spasms. But you can help stop those annoying cramps by eating more bananas. Bananas are also easy to digest, which makes them a great snack after an exercise to help your muscles recuperate. Adding these fruits to your diet. Adding these fruits that help build muscle to your daily routine will make a big difference for your muscle health, especially as you become older. For instance, picture waking up to a smoothie filled with pineapple, berries, and kiwi that makes you feel good. Not only will it taste great, but it will also provide your muscles a natural boost of energy and help them heal, which will keep you strong and active. Adding these fruits to your meals or snacks can also make a big impact in how you feel and how well you do. When you consume these 6 fruits on a regular basis, you're not just eating, you're also giving your muscles the energy they need to stay healthy, heal rapidly, and even get stronger over time. Your muscles will be grateful, and you'll notice a difference in your strength, endurance, and overall health. The power of timing. What time of day to eat these fruits for best results? It's important to eat these fruits, but when you eat them might make a big impact. What if you could speed up the repair and growth of your muscles by eating the correct fruits at the proper times? A study from Harvard Medical School found that eating a breakfast heavy in fruit, especially one with a lot of vitamin C, can help your muscles recover throughout the day. Seniors should eat these fruits in the morning. Why? Your body is ready to take in nutrients and start repairing muscles in the morning. Think of your body like a sponge. In the morning, it's ready to take up all the excellent things. A breakfast or smoothie with a lot of fruit can set the tone for the rest of the day and provide your muscles the energy they need to stay healthy and powerful. And don't forget, it's not just the fruits, it's how they go together. If you eat these fruits with healthy fats like avocado or protein like Greek yogurt, your muscles will get all the nutrition they need. Don't let a simple alteration like the time you eat slip through your fingers. It could make a big difference in your health regimen. Other habits that can help you build muscle even more. Now that you know which fruits can help you fight sarcopenia, let's talk about some additional things you can do to speed up muscle growth and recuperation. Think about how you can use these fruits with easy everyday tasks to get the most out of them. Strength training. It's important to lift weights or conduct resistance workouts a few times a week. You don't have to lift heavy weights to maintain your muscles strong and active. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups are also good for you. Staying hydrated. Water is highly important for muscles to heal. Imagine waking up, sipping a glass of water, and feeling your body wake up and get ready for the day ahead. Every function, including muscle growth and repair, works better when you drink enough water. When you add these behaviors to the fruits that help your muscles grow, you're going to get amazing results. Think about how strong, energetic, and alive you'll feel as you continue to build muscle in a natural, long-standing way. If you stick with it, you will see results. In short, if you want to stop losing muscle beyond 60, the key is to change your food and way of life. Sarcopenia doesn't have to control your future. You can get the energy and freedom you deserve back by adding these 6 amazing fruits to your daily routine. They will help your muscles grow, lower inflammation, and give you back the energy and independence you deserve. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more professional advice on how to stay healthy as you age. We also have other videos that go into more detail about healthy habits, anti-aging routines, and muscle-building methods that are made just for those over 60. Stay healthy and strong, and I'll see you in the next video.